Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2011 on a 60-plate Volkswagen Polo GTI. This is the 1.4 TSI petrol, 177 brake horsepower with the DSG automatic gearbox, 3 doors finished in the white, and it has covered just 34,000 miles. So have a good walk round to this fantastic looking Polo GTI, quite the rare beast. 2011 on a 60 plate, just 34,000 miles. 6 recorded services, and most importantly, the vehicle has had just one owner since it was 6 months old. So originally registered with Volkswagen, we believe, and then just the one private lady owner since. Really well maintained, proper service history. There's a small gap in the middle between 17 and 19, but other than that, serviced every year, including this year. We've got these Dunlop tyres all round, super looking alloy wheels, (177 brake horsepower, so it goes extremely well, zips along, but still pretty practical. Very usable day to day. Obviously it's got the 1.4 TSI engine, so if you're not booting it, you'll get pretty sensible fuel consumption. Looks fantastic, I think. It's got the proper GTI wheels. It's completely standard. No modifications. Paint seems very original. And of course, being a GTI, you get a good level of trim as well. So we have a look inside. Of course, you've got the GTI checkered seats, which always look fantastic, I think. GTI embossed into the tops of the seats there. You've got the bolsters, which are in good shape. Minimal signs of wear, no rips or anything like that. Centre armrest, of course. You've got this awesome looking leather flat bottom steering wheel, again with the GTI embossed into it, with the flappy paddles above, so you can change gear like a DTM racer. Door cards are nice and tidy. Of course, you get remote central locking, electric front windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. We've got a trip computer. On the other side, we've got your cruise control. There's your mileage, 34119. Red stitching that runs throughout on the handbrake, and obviously the gear stickers as well. Auto DSG box, couple of cup holders, 12-volt socket, auxiliary input. Above that we've got your air conditioning, and then above that you've got your radio CD, and the added option, heated seats. It does also have the Bluetooth as well, so if we start the car up, starts on the nose, no horrible rattling. And then you've got your Bluetooth Volkswagen system there. So there we go. Really nice sounding little car as well. A little bit older than our usual kind of stock, because obviously we specialise in very low mileage cars, but obviously for the age this is exceptionally low, and the ownership is low as well, which is very important to us, especially on a car like this. Again, rear nice and tidy. Round to the back, you've got parking sensors across the rear, twin tailpipes as well, of course, and then into the load space. Good sized boot. Very minimal lip to negotiate as well. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf all intact. And underneath we've got your get your home spare, locking wheel nut key, and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it. Really nice little car. 2011 on a 60 plate Polo GTI. 34,000 miles. 2 owners officially, but 1 since it was just a few months old. Really good level of service history. Finance is available from around £230 a month with a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 remote keys, and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, and on a car like this that will be based on a reservation fee being held beforehand. Of course that's refundable should you not buy the car, but it does mean that you will certainly turn up. So that's how we're going to work on this one. It will come with a fresh MOT, like I say, 2 keys, standard 6 months warranty, and appointment only. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really nice, genuine example, not molested. Should be a good car for some years to come, and certainly bring a smile to your face. Please remember, if you've enjoyed this video, do click the like button, give us a good thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and it really does help. And also, if you do click the notification bell, you will receive a new message every time we post a new car. Thanks for watching.